Did you know that Google Chrome includes a home button that can instantly take you to your favorite website? Many users don't even realize it's available because it's hidden by default. In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable the home button in Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're inside Settings, click Appearance on the left side. If you don't see it right away, you can also use the Settings search bar and type Home button to jump directly to the option. Look for the setting called Show Home Button. Turn the toggle on to display the Home button in Chrome's toolbar. As soon as you enable it, you'll see a small house icon appear to the left of the address bar. When the Home button is enabled, Chrome gives you two choices. You can have it open the new tab page, which is useful if you simply want quick access to Chrome's default start page. Or you can select Enter Custom Web Address and choose any website you want. For example, you could set it to Google, Gmail, YouTube, your company dashboard, or any page you visit regularly. Once configured, clicking the Home button will instantly open that destination. If you later decide you don't need the button, return to the same setting and disable Show Home button. The icon will disappear immediately, giving you a slightly cleaner toolbar. Whether you use it as a shortcut to your favorite website or prefer a more minimal browser layout, Chrome makes it easy to customize. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable or disable the Home button in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Chrome tutorials, browser customization guides, productivity tips, and tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.